Hi, I'm Linda from English Learning Mind Map. Today, we will learn about pedagogical mastery. Pedagogical mastery. To spark curiosity and facilitate learning through pedagogical mastery, this topic is explained with collocations to help you sound like an expert educator. Basically, we are using natural word pairings to describe the classroom. Instructional design. As a core pillar of pedagogical mastery, instructional design involves the skill to deliver lessons and set objectives for every student. In simple terms, we are giving our classes and deciding on our goals. Curriculum development. Curriculum development is a branch of instructional design where we must draw up a plan and tailor content for different ages. This means making a big plan for the year and changing the stories to fit the kids. Syllabus mapping. Within curriculum development, we use syllabus mapping to align standards and sequence topics in the most logical way. To put it simply, we are matching the national rules and putting the subjects in the right order. Resource selection. Resource selection is a functional layer of instructional design used to source materials and evaluate tools for the modern classroom. Essentially, we are finding great books and checking if an app is actually useful. Digital integration. Through better digital integration, resource selection helps to enhance engagement and leverage technology to make learning fun. In other words, we are making students interested and using computers to help them learn. Classroom management. Classroom management is a vital branch of pedagogical mastery used to maintain order and establish rapport with every pupil. Basically, we are keeping the room quiet and building a friendly connection with the children. Behavioral expectations. Behavioral expectations is a core part of classroom management where we set boundaries and enforce rules during every activity. This means making sure the kids know exactly how to act and following through on the rules. Discipline protocols. Within behavioral expectations, discipline protocols help to address misconduct and issue warnings before a problem gets too big. To put it simply, we are dealing with bad behavior and telling a student to stop their actions. Environment optimization. Environment optimization is a functional layer of classroom management used to create atmosphere and minimize distractions in the room. In short, we are making the class feel good and removing things that stop kids from focusing. Seating arrangements. Through clever seating arrangements, we can promote collaboration and maximize visibility for the teacher. Effectively, we are putting chairs in a way that helps kids work together and ensures the teacher can see everyone. To gauge progress and provide input within pedagogical mastery, we must use a variety of checking methods. In essence, we are using professional word pairings to describe how we test our students. Educational assessment. Formative feedback. Formative feedback is a branch of educational assessment used to identify gaps and offer guidance while the student is still working. This means looking at what a kid doesn't know yet and giving them a helpful tip. Progressive coaching. Progressive coaching allows a teacher to build confidence and nudge growth in a student who is struggling. In simple terms, we are making the student feel brave and helping them improve their skills bit by bit. Summative evaluation. Summative evaluation is a functional layer of educational assessment used to conduct exams and assign grades at the end of the term. Basically, we are giving the final test and giving the student a mark for their work. Standardized testing. During standardized testing, we must measure performance and meet benchmarks set by the government. To put it simply, we are checking how well the kids did and seeing if they hit the target for their age. Inclusive pedagogy. Inclusive pedagogy is a necessary part of pedagogical mastery used to bridge divides and foster inclusion for every learner. Effectively, we are making sure everyone feels welcome and supported in our classroom. Differentiated instruction. Differentiated instruction is a branch of inclusive pedagogy used to accommodate needs and vary methods for different learning styles. In other words, we are changing how we teach so that every single student can understand. Individualized learning. Through individualized learning, the teacher can unlock potential and support diversity in the student body. Simply put, we are finding a student's secret talent and helping everyone feel like they belong. Cultural sensitivity. Cultural sensitivity is a functional layer of inclusive pedagogy used to honor traditions and value identity for every family. Essentially, we are respecting everyone's background and being proud of who they are. Global citizenship. Through global citizenship, we broaden horizons and cultivate empathy in the next generation. In short, we are teaching kids about the whole world and helping them to be kind to people from all places. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English lessons.